And we made a decision. We said we want to start actually building factories and hiring machinists, welders, engineers. And what we discovered at the time is the machining trade is an exceptionally gifted and talented skill set. It's a hard developed skill. You know, a machinist is a software programmer, they're an engineer, they're a maintenance technician, you know, they're a supply chain person. They have this process or knowledge which is so deep and so broad that makes them so successful and so valuable in our industry, but they don't exist. So the average industry age in manufacturing, contract manufacturing, is in the mid to high 50s. Because typically it's a trade that was developed many decades ago and that really hasn't gotten passed on. But we had to go out and partner with Hudson Valley Community College. We partnered with the local high schools with STEM programs, and we started cultivating folks who had mechanical dexterity, maybe some mathematical ingenuity, and understood how, you know, they wanted to apply that to making physical products for the real world. And we had to cultivate and develop our people from the ground up.